Make a great choice today with the 2010 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, driver airbag, FWD, rear defrost, bucket seats, rear window defroster, passenger airbag, carpeted floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.